Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, on the Link chart, the market is still holding above the main support area that we have identified here on the long-term chart. It is highlighted here in orange and it's located between $17.65 and $20.17. So that hasn't changed in recent days and actually in the last week. So good news, as long as we're holding above it, we can watch for higher prices, and at the moment we are holding above that area. And that is important because the white scenario that you actually see on the chart, that is the primary scenario. And the primary scenario remains valid as long as the market holds above the 50% Fibonacci retracement. It's an area that is very important because any break below it will typically lead to an invalidation of an upside impulse. But the upside impulse is technically still valid now, okay? It's the 50% Fib level is typically the invalidation. It's not the formal invalidation point, but in practice, basically it is. And we're holding above it, so the white scenario remains valid and relevant. First ideal target for this larger third wave is $69. So I see that as a key milestone target as we climb higher. A key milestone target that will support the price, going forward. And if we go above it, we should hold above that pivot there. But for now, if we're going higher, we just move this support zone higher together with the price. So only if we break below 1765, the lower support region comes back into focus. And it's located between 691 and 1070. For now, we are still far away from that support area. And yeah, as I said, as long as we're holding above it, also here then in the alternative scenario, the focus could be on higher, but it would take much longer to play out and would introduce a lot of uncertainty. So best would be for the bulls to defend that 1765 level. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame chart. And here you can see everything in detail, the microstructure, without any confirmation, however, at the moment that a local low has formed. It's been a quiet weekend, not much volatility here around the weekly candle close. Maybe we'll get a little bit more. We'll see what the Monday brings, but for now, we have seen a pullback back to the micro support, let's say back to the orange support region. The price is holding above the 38.2 retracement at $20.16. So also here, the focus could be on higher, but it could still mean that Link plans to move lower once more. What really matters is that we're holding the support area. Whether we form another low on the micro level or not isn't so important for the structure. Important is to mention that Link has not broken, or the price has not broken above 24.84. Why is that important? Because that's micro resistance. So from an Elliott wave point of view, the decline is still in progress, or let's say we don't have a confirmation that a low is in place until we see a break above the 50% retracement. Could happen from here, absolutely. There is unfortunately no reliable micro count visible, identifiable in this decline. So watching resistance, absolutely, for a possible signal that we're going higher. And the next upside level, you see it best on the longer time frame chart. The next upside level to watch as a possible target is at $38.40, which means overall we are holding above support, but without a break above micro resistance. One more low into support is possible and also likely. And it wouldn't matter so much to the structure as long as we're holding above 1765. Yeah, that's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.